Hey guys, so this video is going to cover creating a project and how to set a project once you move to a different computer or if you're going between projects. Um, Creating a project is a really important step. It's a way of staying organized, keeping your files in one place, and also Maya looks and automatically tries to save in the certain locations within a project, so it can be a really important step to get this set up from the beginning. Um, If you've already started working on files and have files in a different project, that's fine. I can show you how to copy and paste those into this project. So to start off, you want to go to File, and down the bottom here you'll see Project Window and Set Project. Project Window is where you'll create new projects, and Setting Project is for telling Maya that you're now using this project. So if I click Project Window, you'll see that I get this pop-up window. And all these names here, these are a list of the folders that are going to be created within my project. So at the top here will be my project name, and then these folders will be auto created underneath that. So you can change the name and stuff of these, but I wouldn't say you would need to for this. So if you go to new, I'm going to give it this example project as a name. So this will be your like team name, maybe followed by your name, or if you have an actual name for your project rather than just your team. So underneath that is the file directory. So we want to choose where we want this project to be created. So I just hit the little folder icon, and I'm going to go find where I save that to, or where I want to save it to. So I've already got an example here from when I've done a previous. So I am going to go back and change the name of this to example Rogi project, and this is where I want to save it to. So I hit select and accept, and that's pretty much it. So if I go to this folder, you can see I have my folder with all the subfolders within that. Um, Once you have your project made on your computer, it should automatically set it to that. So when I go to File Open, you'll see that it's going into that example Roki project underneath the Scenes folder. So anytime that you open a scene or try and save a scene, it's automatically going to go into this folder. And other folders that are important, sort of like source images, this will be where you save your textures to and references maybe. And that means when you move to another computer uh, and you set your project, Maya's going to look within the source folder of your project. And it means you don't have to re-plug in textures when you move from a different computer. So if you don't say you loaded a texture in from your download folder and then you move to a different computer, Maya can't find that file because it's not within the project. So it's always good practice to keep your stuff all within here. So if you have already got files created, so if you've already started modeling little things and you haven't got a project set up, that's fine. Create the project and then go to wherever your other files are. So I don't know, if I go try and find some files in my documents, or here's some here. If I wanted to, I could just copy the files and go back to the project folder, and you'll just want to paste them into your scenes folder, and that should be it fine. So now if I went to file and open, I'm going to see those files in there automatically. Um, Other than that, we want to set projects. So if we're going from a computer to another computer, or if you're just bouncing between multiple projects on the same computer, uh, you'll want to go to file and set project, and then you want to navigate to the outer folder of your project. So similar to sort of like your Unreal selection of projects, I can change between these two. So you just hit set, and then Maya will automatically go to that location. Now, if you first of all open Maya, like you'll get this window, and you can also set the project from here. So I can see it's in current projects, a different one that I just have, the one I just made. So if that's the case, you'll need to go find it. So desktop, and that's the one I made, and now my project's set. So when I go to open, It's going to look in that folder and do. So if I try to save this, it's going to go in that same location. And that's pretty much all there is to projects. They are really important, and we expect pretty much everybody to be handing one of these in at the end of the semester. So please get one set up and yeah, get any files that you've already worked on into that folder and yeah, that's us.